You ever wonder what happens when you mix hot lava and chicken? I did, and you're about to find out. Hear that? That's the sound of sizzling. Smell that smell. La 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 lava, chicken. Steve's lava chicken, yeah, Stacey is here. Lava attack! I have a small business too. The one thing I try to do is not have my jingles suck butt.
Wala na.
Picture na may tubig. May ano daw doon din. Picture na lang para ano. Yung nakabalot-balot.
Laban ay
Kumain ka nga, Mateo. Sabi